kasi gising na naman siya ng 4:30 na umaga. Kanina, nakita niya, pinain na ako, nakita siya. Ayaw niya makakita yung sarili niya. Why? Hi guys! So, eto, from bahay kanina, nagmadali ako kasi pupunta ako sa clinic. Ayan guys, nandito lang ako sa center. Lilipat ako mamaya dun sa kabilang room kasi yung mga next kids ko, hindi pwede yung ganito na madaming toys around. So, lilipat tayo mamaya. But for now, humihiga-higa lang ako dito. Pagod ako. Ba't kasi ang aga nagising ni Chichi? Ano yung food ko? I got purple pad thai coffee and then I got, wait lang, let's open it. Here, I got rice, bagoong rice and spring roll and medyo dami pala ng serving nila so hanggang mamayang gabi na to or hapon, tignan natin. Kain muna ako. 10 minutes na lang at may patient na ako so I have to hurry up. Guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-home therapy at gutom na ako. Bako ko din. Buong araw ba naman naka-PPE. So, wait lang. I'll go out. So, nasa bahay na ako. So, tutuloy na lang natin tong vlog na to tomorrow because I'm so tired. Grabe ang ating mga Wednesdays talaga yung workday ko. Dapat talaga sinasama ko to sa vlogmas ko kasi magbibigay na ako ng gift ko sa mga patients ko but I forgot to bring them a while ago. So, next week na lang and let's see how I will continue this tomorrow. Let's see. Nagising ang ating anak. Sige, sleep lang. Gusto niya tabi pa kami. As in, tatabi siya sa akin. Hi. Hindi pa rin siya sa akin, pero ganyan na siya kaklingi sa akin. Paano kami maghihiwalay? Hey guys, so I was with my high school friends a while ago, but hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi it's been a long time since we've seen each other. So, yun. Nag-lunch na kami. I'm just gonna insert a photo and catch up. So, that's it. And right now, hinihintay ko ulit yung cousin ko. Makakasama ko siya. Pinapabalik ko siya dito habang naghihintay ako kasi may schedule kami ng sister ko. I don't know if you can hear me, but sana meron. Hi! Hindi talaga ako mag-vlog today pero bubuksan natin. Galing ako sa dentist at may natanggap akong email. Test na pulse ko.
Number conversion yan. Ang pupuntang panita.
Araw! Oh my gosh. Hi guys! So, I haven't been updating you guys but yung last video natin is the video na natanggap na ako sa visa application ko. Hindi ko pa sinasabi sa inyo kung ano yun. Pero nag-apply ako ng visa and I will be going in a few months. So, ayan. Andito tayo ngayon sa bodega namin kasi may pa-dinner lang kami. Small dinner dahil nga pandemic na yun. Pero, yan. Nagda-dinner kami ngayon. And, nandito lang ako nagtatago kasi first time lang mahiwalay sa akin ng doggy. And there's another dog here. Pakita ko sa inyo. This is Max. Hi, Max. Max, come here. Can I hold you? Max. Oh, tignan nyo, ang laki niya. Super laki. Grabe, intense laki ni Max. Max. Bye-bye, Max.
Hello! Hi! Merry Christmas, everybody! Ho, ho, ho!
Teka, sinapon niyo yung tibo dito.
We're at the back of the car. Hi. Where will we go? Oh, no. You cannot go there. Kian, just stay there, okay? Oh,
Guys, we're in the back of the car at night. I'm wearing pajamas too.
Dito like more move,
More move, more move, move more. When you see the girls, let's ganyan, okay?
Yes, let's hide like that.
Can you lie down muna?
No, it's dirty.
So, we're in the car again. Now it's morning. We have a bed in the car.
It's too hot.
Hi, guys.
You cover. Mike, there's no cover. We're inside the blanket because it's too hot.
Can we buy McDo?
Wait, let's call Mama. Wow! We're at the back of the car again.
I'm my ice cream.
We're here the whole time na, the whole day na. We've been in the back of the car the whole day. From lunchtime to dinner, we're eating McDonald's. Ow!
Definitely.
Got all the gifts already. I'm heading to the clinic now. It's the first time I'm bringing this car, so I'm quite nervous because this is my mom's car. The car that I've been using for the past days is already gone. So, eto na yung ginagamit ko. Though I'm nervous and let's begin. Let's go to the clinic na para di tayo kabahan masyado.
Many hours later.
Grabe na tong vlog na to. Hindi ko na alam saan siya pupunta. But today is pink day. We have a meet and greet with VP Lenny. So, naka-pink ako. And may separate bag ako kasi cameraman tayo later. And may backpack pa ako. May tripod pa ako sa labas and a paper bag. So, medyo parang lalayas tayo. So, I don't know if I can vlog today. But let's see if I will have snippets of my day today. So, bye guys!
Nandyan sa baba, alam sa likod. Nag-aasikaso pa yata.
Hi guys, it's the next day after and super, ewan ko kung naririnig niyo pero parang mawawala na yung boses ko. Tapos, super sakit ng legs ko guys from all the things that we did yesterday. Hindi na ako nag-vlog yesterday. Sabi ko nga, hindi ko sure kung makakapag-video ako or hindi. Kasi we were in charge of the documentation. But, syempre, diba sa events, may mga last minute na iba-iba. So, docu na kami, nag-live coverage pa kami. Tapos, may time na nag-crowd control kami kasi ang daming sumali kahapon. So, ayun, super duper overwhelmed with the volunteers here in Pampanga. At pagod na pagod ako. So, for this day, I'm just gonna turn this vlog off. And I'm gonna end this vlogmas here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what happened in this video. Hindi pa ako nag-edit ng mga videos. Siguro ngayong sabihin kong rest day ko, mag-edit lang ako. So, let's see. Tomorrow may maganap sa work. Kasi, yun na, hindi na ako mag-work next week. So, parang party na. Christmas dinner lang. Simple Christmas dinner. So, tingnan natin what's gonna happen tomorrow. So, there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And see you in our next vlog. Sana may boses na ako tomorrow.